how to remove Bing search from Windows Search and Microsoft Edge. So in order to remove the Bing and Bing icon from the Windows Search and Microsoft Edge, first of all, what you need to do is go to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now go to Search Permissions and make sure that you turn off these two options right here. And also make sure that you turn this option off as well. So after you do that, if you go to a search bar, then you no longer see the content that used to be here, right? In order to remove Bing from Microsoft Edge, what you can do is go to Microsoft Edge first. Now after this, go to the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to Settings, go to Privacy, Search and Services, scroll down to the last and go to Address Bar and Search under the Services section. And after you do that, in the search engine used in Address Bar, instead of Bing, you can enable Google. Now after you do this, what you can also do is hold the Windows key and click on the R button. After that, your registry editor will open up, and inside registry editor, type REGEDIT, click on enter, and then go to the local machine section right here. Now go to software, scroll down and go to policies, go to Microsoft, and in this section right here, right click on it and click on new and click on key. After you click on key, name the key as Edge. And after you have named it, right click on it, click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. And after you do this, name the file as hubs sidebar enable. Now go to Edge again, and in the new tab and the search bar of the new tab, type EDGE : 2 policy. Click on enter, and after that click on reload policies, and you can see right here that the Bing icon's gone. So that's how we do it. That's how we remove Bing from Windows Search and Microsoft Edge. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.